With a formal COVID-19 emergency use vaccine approval potentially just hours away, hospitals nationwide are preparing to receive the first shipments as early as this weekend. Here in New York, a state panel and clinical advisory task force agreed with that. Now planning is underway to get it into the hands of communities who need it the most.
170,000 doses from Pfizer that we announced should be here imminently, Sunday or Monday.
And about a week later,
we also will get through 346,000 doses of Moderna on top of the 170,000.
There's a coordinated nationwide effort by UPS and FedEx to deliver it. The first doses will go to healthcare workers and nursing homes. Then comes convincing others to get it.
We have to hit 75 to 85% of the population for the vaccine to be effective. We have 50% of the population saying they won't take the vaccine. That's a problem.
There's also great concern about outreach and getting it to the communities who need it most.
We all know the way COVID has impacted communities of color has been devastating.
But let the dissemination be driven by the data and the need. And we know that that, in fact, is going to be in communities of color and immigrant and throughout Indian countries.
In New York City, a vaccine command center was launched with that in mind across from City Hall, a focus on 27 of the hardest hit neighborhoods identified by the Task Force on Racial Inclusion and Equity.
The task force will make sure that we have a fair and equitable distribution. And the task force will work to build trust in communities. We know there is a trust gap. We know a lot of people are uncertain about the vaccine.
The city plans to use NYCHA space and NYC Health and Hospitals clinics to vaccinate priority populations and work with various community partners to spread the word. And state officials are also lobbying for more federal dollars to distribute the vaccine.